Hi, this is Jeffrey Rhoades from Homesteading.com, and before I begin, I wanted to let you know I did receive this item for free or at a reduced price for an honest opinion. All opinions are our own, and tonight I am talking about the wireless network adapter from Proster. This is the AC600 dual band Wi-Fi USB adapter with antenna. Okay, this is what it actually looks like. Okay, and it does fold like that. You plug it into the USB port on your computer and it creates a wireless connection to your router if you have a Wi-Fi router. It supports 802.11 AC, standard maximum speed up to 5 gigahertz, 433 megabytes per second, or 2.4 gigahertz, 150 megabytes per second. It is good for Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, 8.1, and 10 in 32 or 64-bit. It is good on a Mac with OS's 10.7 to 10.10. It's also Linux kernel 2.6.x or later. So it covers a lot of different systems. There is a notice on the back here of the box that says if you want to use the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi that you need to install the driver program from the disk that they include rather than Windows' own driver. And there is a nice quick install guide that comes with this to let you know how to set everything up, how to it steps you through using the new hardware wizard and all the configuration and everything that you need for this. So it's very easy to use and supported by lots of different systems, and can get you your 5 gigahertz speed, so you can have the lag-free HD video streaming and gaming. It is dual band, which aids in that, and very nice little device. Thank you. Have a good night.